While most people just flush and forget, a lot goes on behind the scenes to remove, treat and transport sewage. At Queensland Urban Utilities, we treat around 140 Olympic swimming pools of sewage every day. And the journey doesn't end there. Biosolids are an unglamorous but natural byproduct of the treatment process. Here at our Luggage Point Resource Recovery Centre, we're working with waste recovery company Moxiepel on a world-first commercial-scale trial to turn biosolids into useful products like fertiliser and fuel.
Biosolids represents a significant part of our treatment budget. Around a third of our overall treatment costs goes into the management of biosolids. Water utilities play a critical role in the circular economy, and we're always looking at better ways of turning waste into resources.
It's a low-cost chemical process which uses a series of conveyors, drums and hoppers to create nutrient-rich pellets which are easy to store and transport. As part of this world-first trial, tonnes of biosolids from our Luggage Point Resource Recovery Centre will be turned into pellets for beneficial reuse as we scale up production to see what this pilot plant can achieve under full load.
So we've actually come up with a technology that can take 80% moisture cellulosic material and non-thermally dry it and turn it into what is essentially dry carbon. There are two chemical processes. One is there's a desiccation agent which forces the moisture out of the material, and in parallel to that there is a binding agent. As the moisture evaporates off the surface of the material, it forms a matrix within that material and it forms a hard exterior. And we can typically take any cellulosic biomass.
The pellets not only add value to the agricultural sector due to their nutrient content, but they can also be substituted for coal in a boiler, creating a truly renewable energy source. It's also good news for the environment because it's creating new sources of renewable energy while reducing the amount of trucks used to transport biosolids. The pelletisation process has the potential to extend beyond biosolids to create useful resources from other waste streams or production byproducts such as agricultural, forestry and food waste. It's a great example of creating circular economies where waste from one industry can become a resource for the next. Vivcord Energy is a Brisbane company that's an energy trader, helping to connect Queensland Urban Utilities and Moxiepel to potential users.
As a coal replacement, these pellets share many of the same characteristics as coal, but they are actually zero carbon emissions, and when they're used to generate electricity, they're actually a renewable fuel, so they contribute to renewable electricity. There's probably literally hundreds of industrial boilers across Australia that are currently burning coal that could use biosolids pellets or biomass more generally to replace that coal.
This technology has the potential to be a game changer for the water industry and other commercial processes. As the trial progresses, we're excited to see what opportunities emerge from the circular economy.